Hello everyone, welcome to LCM and HCF exercise part 2. In this exercise, we are going to do questions based on finding LCM of two or more numbers, finding HCF of two or more numbers, what is the relationship between LCM and HCF, and then we will do the miscellaneous questions. The images used in our slide deck are for education purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now, these are the formulas which we are going to use while solving the question. That is, product of two numbers is equal to LCM and into HCF. Least number when divided by A, B, C, and D leaves remainder X, Y, Z, and W respectively, where the difference of AX, BY, CZ, and DW is same. In that case, the number is equal to LCM of ABCD minus difference. And last one is that least number which when divided by ABCD is leaving the remainder R, then the number is equal to LCM of ABCD plus R. So these are the formulas. What is the LCM of 21 and 20? And options are given to us, that is 560, 1120, 840, and 1680, A, B, C, and D. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find which one of them is correct. After that, I will do the solution. Now, we are going to use common division method to find the LCM. So in common division method, we are going to divide 21 and 280 by a least number. So the number which is least in nature is 2. But 21 is not divided by 2, so we can write only 21 here. 280 when divided by 2 gives us 140. Again dividing by 2, we are getting 21 and 70. Again by 2, we get 21 and 35. Now 21 and 35 both are not divisible by 2, so we will look for the next number, that is 3. 3 can divide 21, so 3 into 7 is 21, but 35 can't be divided, so it will remain as it is. Again, 5 is going to divide 35, but it can't divide 7, so we will write 7 as it is. Now 7 and 7, these can be divided by 7. So we are getting 1 and 1 in the end. We are going to keep dividing until we get 1 and 1 in the last step. And for finding the LCM, we are going to multiply these numbers 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, and 7. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. That gives us 840. So option number C, 840 is our correct answer. What is the smallest number which divided by 6, 7, 8, 9, and 12 gives remainder 2 in each case? And options are 508, 608, 502, 506. These are the options. Now, we are going to use formula 1.3. According to that formula, LCM of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 12. So we are going to use common division method. So we are getting 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 7 until we get 1, 1, 1 in the end. And formula 1.3 is to be used. So formula 1.3 says that number is equal to LCM of numbers plus remainder, that is 2. So LCM was 504 and we are getting 2 remainder in each case. So the required number is LCM of all the numbers plus remainder, that is 2. So 506 is our correct answer, option number D. The LCM of 15x cube y4 and 12x square y5 is options are 60x cube y raised to power 5, 25x cube y raised to power 5, 12x cube y raised to y cube, and last one is 15x cube y raised to power 5. These are the options. Now, we are going to use the prime factorization method to find the LCM. 15x cube y4. 15 can be written as the factors of 3 into 5. and number should be prime. So 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. Into x cube into y4 was given already. Next one was 12x square y raised to power 5. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. That are the prime factors of 12 and x square y5. So to find the LCM, we are going to look for the highest power of 2. So highest power of 2 is 2 because 2 is appearing only twice. So 2 into 2. Next 3 is appearing number of maximum times 1. So into 3. 5 was appearing only once. Now in x cube and x square, we are going to take the highest power, that is x cube. Into in y4 and y5, the highest power is 5. So into y5. So the answer is 5 into 3 into 2 into 2, that is 60. X cube y raised to power 5. That means option number A is the correct answer. So we used the prime factorization method to find out the LCM in case of the algebraic variables. Find the LCM of 24, 96 and 36. Options are 576, 216, 288 or 144. These are the options. Now we are going to use the common division method to find out the LCM. Our numbers were 24, 96 and 36. So we are going to start dividing by the least number, that is 2. So 2, we get 12, 48 and 18 after dividing. Again by 2, we get 6, 24 and 9. Again by 2, we get 3, 12 and 9. Again by 2, we get 3, 6 and 9. And we keep on dividing the numbers by until we get 1, 1, 1 in the last step. And to find the LCM, we are going to multiply these multiples. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 288. Option number C is our correct answer. Find the LCM of 15, 25 and 29. And options are 2335, 3337, 2175 and 2375. These are the options. So now in this case, we are going to use the prime factorization method. So we are going to do the prime factors of every number. 15 is having the prime factors as 1 into 3 into 5. 25 can be written as 1 into 5 into 5. And 29 does not have any factors. So it is only two factors are having 1 and itself, that is 29. Now for LCM, we are going to look for the maximum power of every number. 3 is presented only once. So 3. 1 is also present, that is 1 into 3. 5 is also present once. So 5 into 5 into, and that is 29 into 29. 5 was present twice, so we have taken 5 twice also here into 29. That is equal to 2175. That means option number C is the correct answer. Find the LCM of 18, 33 and 37. And options are 2442, 7326, 814 and 1221. These are the options. Now we are going to use LCM common division method to find out the LCM. So our numbers were 18, 33 and 37. So when we divide by 3, we get 6, 11 and 37. Now 11 and 37 are the prime numbers and 6 is a non-prime number. So we don't need to further divide. If we are getting two prime numbers and 6 can be 2 into 3. So instead of going to the last stage, we can also multiply these numbers, that is 3 into 6 into 11 into 37 to get 7326. So option number B, 7326 is the correct answer. The LCM of 14, 35 and 56 is. Options are 280, 140, 210 and 560. These are the options. Now, we are going to use prime factorization method. For that, we are going to find out the prime factors of every number. So prime factors of 14 are 2 and 7. So 2 into 7. Prime factors of 35 are 5 and 7. So 5 into 7. And prime factors of 56 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So to find out the LCM, we are going to look for the highest power of every number. So here 2 is present thrice. So we have written 2 into 2 into 2. 7 is present only one time in every number. So into 7. 5 is also present only once. So into 5. That is equal to 280. That means option number A, 280 is our correct answer. Find the LCM of 34, 51 and 68. Options are 238, 204, 136 and 102. These are the options. And I am giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer, and after that I will do the solution. Now, by using the prime factorization method, we are going to do first of all the prime factors of every number. So 34 can be written as 2 into 17. 51 can be written as 3 into 17 because 3 and 17 both are prime numbers. Similarly here 2 and 17 both are prime numbers. And 68 can be written as 2 into 2 into 17. We have to remember that these numbers, these factors should be prime because we have written LCM by using prime factorization. So we have to do the factors, but we should remember that the number should be prime. Now after that, to find out the LCM, we are going to look for the highest power of every number. 2 is present maximum number of times here, that is 2 times. So 2 into 2. 17 is present once in every number, so into 17. And 3 is also present once, into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 17, that is 204 is the LCM of the numbers. So option number B, 204 is the correct answer. The LCM of 15, 18 and 24 is, and options are 540, 3, 6 or option number D is 360. Now we are going to use prime factorization method. So the prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. Prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. And prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. To find out the LCM, we are going to look for the highest power of every number. So 2 is present maximum number of times in this, that is 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2. 3 is present twice here. So 3 into 3. And 5 is only present once. So into 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 gives us 360. Option number D is the correct answer. The LCM of three numbers 16, 28 and 42 is. Options are 162, 2, 252 or 336. Now, we are going to use the LCM common division method. So 16, 28 and 42 are our numbers. So we are going to start dividing by the least number. The least number which can divide any of the numbers is 2. So we get 8, 14 and 21. Again dividing by 2 we get 4, 7, 21. Again dividing by 2 we get 2, 7 and 21. And again by 2 we get 1, 7 and 21. Now here 1, 7 and 21. Neither of them can be divided by 2. So we look for the next number, that is 3. So from here we get 1, 7 and 7. And in the end we get 7, which can divide 1, 7 and 7 all. So we get 1, 1, 1 in the end. Now for LCM we are going to multiply all these numbers. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That is 336. So option number D, 336 is the correct answer. LCM of 48 and 54 is, and your options are given in multiples, that is 6 into 8 into 9, 48 into 54, 6 into 2 into 9, and option number D is 6 into 8 into 3. Now, we are going to use prime factorization method to find out the LCM. So prime factors of 48 are 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Similarly, prime factors of 54 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. Now to find out the LCM, we are going to look for the highest powers of 2 and 3. Here only 3 is present once, but here 3 is present thrice. So we are going to write 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. 2 is present maximum number of times in the factors of 48, that is 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is the required LCM, that is equal to 6 into 8 into 9. Now from the options, option number A was 6 into 8 into 9, so it is the correct answer. Find the least number which divided by 16, 24, 36 and 54 leaves remainder 12, 20, 32 and 50 respectively. And your options are 432, 444, 428 and 452. These are the options. Now we are going to use formula 1.2 because here the difference of 16 and 12, 24 and 20, 36 and 32 and 54 and 50. The difference is always same, that is 4, 4, 4 and 4. So we can use formula 1.2. But before that, we have to find the LCM of 16, 24, 36 and 54. So for finding the LCM, we have used the common division method. That is 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And formula 1.2 says that the required number is equal to LCM of numbers minus common difference. That was 4. So LCM of 16, 24, 36 and 54 minus 4 is the required number. So we have written 432 minus 4, that is 428. Option number C is the correct answer. Find the smallest number that leaves the remainder 13, 41 and 29 on being divided by 20, 48 and 36 respectively. And the options are 727, 720, 713 and 187. These are the options. Now, here also the difference of 20 and 13, 48 and 41, 36 and 29. Difference of these numbers is same, that is 7. So the required number is going to be LCM of 20, 48 and 36 minus difference, that is 7, because formula 1.2 says this. So to find the LCM of 20, 48 and 36, we have used the common division method. So from here the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 720. Minus difference was 7 every time. So 720 minus 7 is 730. Option number C is the correct answer. Find least number which divided by 12, 15, 20 and 54 leaves the remainder 8 in each case. And options are 540, 556, 532 and 548. And you have 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Now, here the remainder was 8 in each case. So if the remainder is R, then the number is going to be LCM of 15, 12, 20 and 54 plus remainder, that is 8, because formula 1.3 says this thing. So now we have to find the LCM of 12, 15, 20 and 54. For that we have used the common division method. 12, 15, 20 and 54 were numbers. So dividing by 2, we get 6, 15, 10, 27. Again by 2, we get 3, 15, 5 and 27. Again by 3, we get 1, 5, 5, 9. Again by 3, we get 1, 5, 5, 3. Again by 3, we get 1, 5, 5, 1. So we keep on dividing by numbers till we get 1, 1, 1, 1 in the last step. And the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. That is the LCM. Plus remainder was 8 in each case. It was already given in the question. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 is our 540 plus 8. That is 548. So the number which when divided by 12, 15, 20 and 54 and gives remainder 8 in each case is 548. That means option number D, 548 is the correct answer. So these were our questions. I hope you have understood the questions well. Thank you very much for joining the session.